Hi friends, welcome back Digital Dynamos. In this on-screen segment, 126 minus 126, which equals 0, times 126 minus 126 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 126 times 126 equals 15,876. So we have 126 minus 15,876 minus 126, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 126 minus 15,876, which equals minus 15,750. So we have minus 15,750 minus 126, which equals minus 15,876. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe if you want more videos like this.